असले लोक कोण जे कॅम्पाक रिस्पॉन्स आयला तो already by 12 o'clock more than 100 people have registered, and I congratulate the entire organizing team. I congratulate Mr. Daniel Lobo, Village Panchayat of Parra, and this is the hard work which will give very good results in the long run. ASG Hospital under commence karte 2021 September and 4 varsas of IED, and we are very proud to say that the work we have done in the belief that every patient is important for us and we have to make a difference in the lives of people. This is the first hospital in Goa to have done 26 corneal transplants in the last 2 years, which no other hospital has achieved. Me, along with my team of doctors, I we have a very good team of experienced doctors who can handle various types of eye problems. खूपशे लोकांना diabetes असून diabetic retinopathy, retinal पड्ड्या थोड्या त्रास जाता, glaucoma म्हणून एक दुयेंस आहा, and unless we are aware of these disorders, patient can go blind and damage his vision. Last stage मागीर दिसना जाल्यार कांय करपाक मेळना. We can't do a surgery to replace where your blindness is due to retina or optic nerve damage. Today's camp, I sincerely thank Sri Michael Lobo, Mr. Daniel Lobo, Village Panchayat of Parra, JGI and all the organizers here today for giving us this opportunity, and also to announce that there will be free eye spectacles and cataract surgeries being done for patients who have come for this camp. Cataract surgery, खूप वर्सां पयलीं थोड्या हेंच्या सावन दिवपा पडटलो. Patient had to take rest for 1 month, bandage लावपा पडटली. But today, whether we are treating a poor patient or a rich patient, for us every patient is the same. 99% of patients do not need any injection for surgery. And the optician zone, 15 disan, you can get back to all your regular activities, and we promise to give the best treatment to every patient. Thank you for having us here, and I hand over to you.
First of all, I would congratulate our dynamic Sarpanch, Daniel, because he's always in front leading the team, and also I would thank from JGI Parra for giving us the opportunity to collaborate with you all. We are always there for support. We are newly formed JGI Parra, so we will always support for betterment, and thank you again the team from ASG for organizing this free eye cleanup checkup drive सगळेच करतात, but then free surgical cataract हाजे ऑपरेशन करप हे अत्यंत गरजेचें. Again, a very thank you Sarpanch and entire team Panch members. A good response. लोकांक सगळे कडेन मागता तुम्ही आनी सेकंड हाफ आसा तुमच्या नेबरांक सगळ्यांक आपयात. We are open till 5 o'clock. We'll cross at least 200 numbers of participants or the customers. Thank you very much.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.